As summer winds down, so does the season for perfectly ripe peaches. So before they disappear, let's make the most of this sweet and juicy fruit by creating a refreshing peach gazpacho today. This dish is a vibrant celebration of summer flavors, perfect for enjoying these final warm days. And to make it even more festive and special, I'm showing you how to make these crispy coconut shrimp, which are just the perfect accompaniment to the sip of this gazpacho. So follow me and let's get started in the kitchen. We'll begin with the star of the show, perfectly ripe and juicy peaches. After peeling and pitting them, roughly chop the peaches along with the red peppers, cucumbers, red onions, cilantro, and jalapeno peppers. Depending on how hot your jalapeno pepper is, you can either remove the seeds and ribs like I'm doing here, or keep them intact. Next, we'll squeeze out some fresh lime juice and orange juice for a burst of brightness. Here is the entire list of ingredients, and as always, the exact measurements are listed in the description box below. Once everything is prepped, it will literally take 10 seconds in the food processor or blender. Because this is going to be served in shot glasses as a shooter, I'm blending mine until very smooth. But if you prefer a chunkier texture, only pulse a few times and adjust the texture to your liking. Chill the gazpacho in the fridge while we work on the shrimp. Let's start by peeling and deveining your shrimp if they don't already come peeled. I'm leaving the tails on today, but you absolutely can take them off if you prefer. Next, we're going to set up a simple breading station. In one container or a bowl, combine all-purpose flour, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper, and mix well. In a second container, simply beat 1 egg. And in the third container, mix together unsweetened shredded coconut flakes with some panko breadcrumbs. Now dredge each shrimp in the seasoned flour, then dip it in the egg, and finally coat it in the coconut panko mixture. And repeat this process until all the shrimp are coated. Next, heat some oil in a pan over medium-high heat and shallow fry the shrimp until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. This will only take a minute or two per side, so stay at the stove and keep a close eye on them. Once fully cooked, take them out onto a paper towel to drain any excess oil. At this point, you could just serve the chilled gazpacho in a bowl with a few shrimp pieces on top. But I wanted to share this super fun way of presenting this dish today using these mini cutouts of red peppers and cucumbers, which then gets skewered along with a piece of shrimp. And rather than serving the gazpacho in bowls as a soup, I decided to pour the gazpacho into shot glasses and place one skewer on top of each glass. By the way, if you're not a shrimp lover, no worries. You can serve it with some green olives and make this a completely plant-based delight. As for sipping suggestions today, since there's already a sipping component to this dish, I recommend adding a little bit of tequila to the gazpacho mixture to make this even more festive and fun. I hope you enjoyed this episode today. Thank you for watching, and cheers!